Master Reviewer here, and today I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. This is the Shengshou Wind Speed Cube, and I'm going to put this out there right now. I am not the best speed cuber, so yeah, I just thought I'd make this video just for the heck of it. I mean, why not? So yeah, I'm going to scramble it up, then I'll solve it. Alright, that should be good enough. I'm going to inspect it. Alright. There we go. So yeah, like I said, I'm not the best cuber, so that wasn't that great of a time, but, yeah. So, leave suggestions for how I should do my future videos down below, because I'm kind of doing a whole different setup here than I was before. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See ya.